Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix a slow laptop problem on your Windows 11 system. So press Ctrl Shift Escape together from your keyboard to open Task Manager window. Then select Startup Apps, and we need to disable the programs that you don't need at startup. So if you want to disable it, simply right click on it and select Disable. And once done, close this window. Then we need to uninstall unused programs. For that, press Windows key plus X together and select Install Apps. On this window, we need to search for the applications or a program you want to uninstall. For that, click on these three dots and select Uninstall. And then close this window. Now we are going to free up disk space. For that, go to search bar, then search for disk cleanup, then click here to open it. On this window, select cleanup systems files. Wait for some time. After that, we need to select recycle bin, temporary files, then read this description and click on OK. Now delete files. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Once done, now we are going to disable visual effects. So press Windows key plus X together and then select System. Now on this window, click on Advanced System Settings. Now it will open System Properties window. So select Advanced tab and click on Settings from Performance. Now select Visual Effects tab. Click on Adjust for Best Performance. Then choose the visual effects you want to keep and then click on Apply and then OK. You can also upgrade your hardware. If your laptop has outdated hardware, consider the upgrading it, such as replacing the hard drive with an SSD or increasing the RAM. If you're still facing any issue related to this problem, you can send me here screenshot and details of the error message. You will get the link in the description below. Just check out and fix your problem. That's it guys. You're good to go.